Banana, but digital. No peel, no smell, just code. No monkey gives it, no monkey takes it. It moves on its own. No jungle boss in charge, just the network. Monkeys agree on banana value, but banana is just numbers. Still worth real bananas. Sometimes many, sometimes none. Confusing? Let's peel it. How it works. Monkey A sends banana to Monkey B. But no banana moves, only numbers change. Who keeps track? All monkeys. Every monkey in the network. They all write it down. Same notebook, called the blockchain. One big list. Everyone sees it. No cheating, no erasing. It's locked in. Monkey A says, I give one banana to B. The network checks. Does A have banana? If yes, the list updates. If not, nothing happens. Each group of changes equals a block. Blocks stacked together, block plus block equals blockchain. Like banana crates piled up. Heavy but strong, can't mess with the bottom crate, or the stack falls. What about mining? No digging, just thinking. Monkeys with computers solve hard puzzles. Why? To earn bananas. These bananas are digital, new ones, given as reward. They add blocks. They keep the system going. This is called proof of work. Monkey must work hard, solve puzzle, then add block. Get banana. Types of crypto bananas. Bitcoin. The first banana, biggest, most famous, only 21 million ever. Digital gold, used to store value, slow to move, but strong and trusted. Ethereum, not just banana. It's a banana machine. You can build things on it. Smart bananas. Bananas that know when to ripen. Bananas that open only if a deal is fair. Used for apps, games, article flexible, powerful. Stablecoins. Banana that never changes, tied to real money. One banana equals $1, good for trading. Less risky, but only if trusted. Meme coins. Silly bananas. Like Doge. Started as joke. Now, real value. Depends on monkey mood. Why use it? No bank, no jungle fees. Fast. Global. 24/7. You control your bananas, but also risky. Lose your keys? Bananas gone. Forever. Price goes up, then down, then up again. Monkey see, monkey panic. Very bouncy, very fun, very dangerous. Conclusion. Crypto is like banana air. You can't hold it. But it moves, it grows. Monkeys believe in it. So it matters. No peel, no tree, just code, belief, and bananas. That's cryptocurrency. Like bananas? Like weird smart monkey talk? Tap that button, subscribe. More bananas coming.